Hey, it's Michael Garfield. I am the High-Tech Texan, and welcome to my crib. Pretty cool, huh? I don't want you coming to my home, but I do want you to tuning into my radio show every Saturday, 11 in the morning on 950 AM KPRC, especially the weekend of March 10th and 11th, because I'm going to be at the Spring Home and Garden Show in the Woodlands. Come on out and see us too, because I'm going to be giving a seminar after my show about how to upgrade and pimp out your home, smart home automation, like this. This is my TV right now. Go to your TV and you can actually turn down and on and off the lights in your thermostats. Pretty cool, huh? It's very simple to do just by listening to some of my high-tech tips. Woodlandsshows.com. It is March 10th through 11th. Check it out, tune in, and come on out. I'd love to see you. We'll tell you everything and answer all your questions about home automation and so much more. Like this. Hey, Alexa, turn down the thermostat.
Okay.
Too cool.